If you're looking for a simple way to boost your health, intermittent fasting might be the key. Here's why. First, it helps with weight loss. Intermittent fasting reduces calorie intake and increases fat burning by boosting metabolism by up to 14%. A study published in the Journal of Obesity showed that intermittent fasting significantly decreased body weight, fat mass, and even waist circumference in adults. The next benefit of intermittent fasting is that it improves blood sugar control. Research suggests fasting can enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. This means your body can regulate blood sugar more effectively. Another significant benefit is cellular repair and longevity. During fasting, your body removes damaged cells and replaces them with new, healthier ones. This process can even slow aging. Lastly, intermittent fasting is good for your heart. It helps lower blood pressure, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides and reduces the risk of heart disease. Now you know why intermittent fasting helps. But remember, it might not be beneficial for all. Talk to your doctor before you begin fasting. Was it helpful? Follow eHealthy Info for more health tips.